Family, so I'm extremely excited to show you guys how I make my simple detox water. I also just want to say thank you guys because I now have over 50,000 views on all of my apple cider vinegar videos combined. So that means you guys are really enjoying the recipes, and I hope you guys are seeing a lot of results using apple cider vinegar and incorporating that into your daily routine. So one of those things I'm trying to work on for 2019 is drinking more water, you guys. Water is something that I do not like to drink. I have to make myself drink it. So I just want to show you guys a simple way on how to make my detox water. So this will be a short video, and I hope you guys do give this a thumbs up and also subscribe. So detox water is actually really good for us. It boosts our energy, it gets rid of all the extra waste, and overall detoxifies our bodies. So the first thing you will need is some type of water. So in this video, I'll be using the Ozarka water. This is about 100 ounces. And then I'll also be using a lemon. Now what I like about lemons is that they cleanse the liver, the kidney, the blood, and overall detoxifies our bodies. And also I'll be using some organic mint. Now this helps with indigestion, aches and pain, and relieves infections. And then I also love cucumbers because they keep you hydrated and they flush out all those toxins for a healthy weight loss. Now, what I love about all these ingredients is that they all detoxify the body, they all aid in weight loss, and they could even help us with better skincare. So I do like to go ahead and cut those up into very small wedges. That way I can go ahead and squeeze the juice into the gallon, and it's easier for me to put the cucumbers and the lemons in the actual water. So I'll be using 2 lemons for this recipe and 1/2 a cucumber, and I'll just go ahead and add that to my water once I slice them. And all I'm doing here is I'm taking 2 mint plants, and I'm just taking the mint leaves and I'm putting those into the water. And I do not put the actual stem into the water, I only use the leaves. So I actually forgot to pour some of the water out of the gallon, you guys, but I went ahead and I did that off camera. But then I came back on camera to show you guys that I just put all of the cucumbers that I cut up and then the 2 lemons that I cut up all into the gallon. And this is pretty much how it came out, you guys. You guys can see that my lemons are there, my cucumbers are there, and my mint leaves are there. So I just went ahead and put the cap on the gallon, and I'm just turning it upside down just to kind of mix everything all together. So you can go ahead and drink it as is. You can definitely taste the lemons and the cucumbers and the mint already. Or if you would like to taste a little bit stronger, you can go ahead and put it in the refrigerator and let that sit for a few hours. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time.